G'day, here's a parcel of offcuts, rubs from various fields of Boulder Opal from Queensland. It's old material that came from an old cutter, so there's rejects, offcuts, chips, and even some little stones. A lot of this material would have been rejected. It's probably 30 years old, and now people are buying it and getting it and cutting it into stones. There's nothing wrong with it, only that it's all small pieces. You could use it in chip jars, on trees, gem trees, in opal inlay with resin, or cut it to shape. Anyway, we'll zoom in and have a better look. Okay, I don't know if I mentioned it, the rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted. I haven't moved it from the panoramic view. Now I've zoomed in to give you a better look. As you can see, they're all fairly small pieces, but a lot of bright material. Sort of a non-repeatable deal. Like I say, it was from an old cutter. It's a matrix, corroit material, little bright stones, boulders from various fields. Some is better than others, that's not such a good bit. Little one like that'll cut a nice stone. Anyway, there's hundreds of pieces here. I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.